Ever feel like your investments are a black hole? You throw money in, but have no idea what's actually happening? You're not alone. Many people struggle to keep track of their investment portfolios, especially if they're spread across multiple accounts. That's where tools like PocketGuard can come in handy, or can they? Today, we're diving deep to answer the burning question, does PocketGuard actually track investments? PocketGuard is a popular personal finance app known for its user-friendly interface and budgeting features. It excels at categorizing spending, setting budgets, and even predicting your future finances. But when it comes to investments, things get a bit trickier. The short answer? No, PocketGuard does not directly track your investments. While it doesn't have dedicated features for tracking stock prices, bond yields, or the performance of your mutual funds, it does offer some indirect ways to monitor your overall investment health. Net worth tracking. PocketGuard allows you to manually input your investment account balances. This helps you track your overall net worth, giving you a holistic view of your financial picture, including the value of your investments. Cash flow analysis. By tracking your income and expenses, PocketGuard can help you understand how much money is available for investing. This helps you make informed decisions about your investment strategy and allocate funds accordingly. Goal setting. You can set financial goals within PocketGuard, such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a house. While it doesn't directly track investment performance towards these goals, it can help you stay motivated and on track to achieve them. However, these indirect methods have limitations. PocketGuard doesn't provide real-time investment data. You'll need to manually update your investment balances, which can be time-consuming. Portfolio performance analysis. No insights into your investment returns, risk levels, or asset allocation. Automated tracking. No integration with popular brokerage platforms for automatic data syncing. If you're looking for dedicated investment tracking tools, consider these alternatives. Personal Capital offers comprehensive investment tracking, including performance analysis and financial planning tools. Mint provides basic investment tracking along with budgeting and bill payment features. Stash, a micro-investing platform with built-in tracking and educational resources. So, while PocketGuard isn't your go-to app for in-depth investment tracking, it can still be a valuable tool for managing your overall finances. By combining its budgeting and net worth tracking features with a dedicated investment tracking app, you can gain a complete picture of your financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.